This video shows how to replace the front Perk module for a 2.5-inch drive backplane on a PowerEdge T550. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first remove the system cover. To do this, rotate the lock on the top of the system cover to the unlock position. Lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system, then lift the system cover off. Remove the air shroud by holding the touch points and lifting it out of the system. Now, to remove the cooling fan cage, first you must lift the blue release levers to release the cooling fan cage, and then, holding the blue release levers, lift it out of the system. To remove the front Perk module, first remove the SAS cable from the Perk module. Now, loosen the captive screws securing the front Perk module and slide it away from the backplane. Lift the front Perk module from the system. To replace the front Perk module, align the front Perk module to the guide slot on the backplane and push it towards the backplane until firmly seated. Tighten the captive screws to secure the front Perk module. You can now connect the SAS cable to the connector on the front Perk module. To replace the cooling fan cage, align the cooling fan cage to the guide pins in the system and lower it until firmly seated. Close the blue release levers to secure the cooling fan cage to the system. To install the air shroud, align the air shroud with the guide pins in the system and lower it until it is firmly seated. Finally, replace the system cover. To do this, align the cover with the guide slots in the system and place it into position. Lower the latch to engage the cover into the system. Then, rotate the lock on top of the system cover to the lock position. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.